No, I've been very busy with a whole bunch of different projects. Playing around with ChatGPT, AI. My new product is about to launch soon. And yeah, Linkilo is doing really well. New updates are coming. Uh, just a whole bunch of stuff, right? I haven't been doing my niche site update for a while because it's kind of stale. It's not growing. It's not going down. It's just doing pretty much nothing at the moment. So I'm just leaving that as is. I'll provide some updates soon, but I really wanted to show you my new uh, plugin for WordPress for affiliate website owners. And the reason I want to go with the reason before we jump into all types of features that I'm currently putting, they already have, and I'm going to put in, and so kind of give you an idea of what this is going to be. Compared to, I guess, get AWP or get Lasso or affiliatetable.io. Two of them, Get Lasso and affiliatetable.io, are monthly subscription based, really expensive, and it's not housed in on your WordPress site. That means I don't know if anything happens to their business, then um, I don't know what's gonna happen. But I wanted to kind of borrow from AWP and other WordPress plugin affiliate plugins um, model, because I'm sure this new product business is not gonna crash. I'm using it for my own sites, um, but if anything happens, you have the product and you could use it, and that's pretty much it. So this, I don't want to go into the monthly subscription. You're using your own hosting provider to fetch Amazon's image and API and things like that. There is no my software doing a lot of the work. It's just get your own good hosting provider, and then that's pretty much it. You don't even need a good hosting provider. You could use Namecheap or any other cheap hosting provider, and it works really well. I've tested it on multiple sites, multiple hosting providers, and it's really fast. So the reason why I wanted to build this was I bought a lot of sites and then try to convert them to my affiliate code was pretty bad. In some cases, they will use their own short URL from Amazon, and then I had to find individual ones. It was hard to kind of replace really quick, or I'm getting my writers to write 50 articles, and I didn't want to get a builder like a table builder and try to build each individual table or the design of this. I just want to do a copy paste, get the ASIN, get my affiliate links, and pretty much done, right? So that was my thinking. How can I make this a lot faster when all of my writers are writing a whole bunch of articles and I need to publish these, and these making these can take time. Get Lasso or Affiliate Table, you have to go into their builder. Let me see if I could show you if they have an image. I'm not sure if they do. Yeah. So kind of let me see if I could zoom in. You have to type in the name. You create a link. Get the link. Type in what you want. New tab. This should be automatic. No follow should be automatic. Secondary. That's the second button. Description. Blah blah blah. And then you kind of have to go through the process. Copy the code and then paste it. I have no time for that, and I wanted to just copy the short code, right? and paste it in, and this is what's going to come out. And then all I have to do is just change the URL or change the description or the title or whatever, and then it's going to pop up. Let me show you. If I could find it. So one of the product box, this is product box 1, 2, and then there's a table and more designs are coming. The ribbon, I want to enable automatic title fetching from Amazon. You do need to have the Amazon API if you want to use the Amazon API. Getting their title, the image, the description. You could enable or disable the ratings, the pricing if you want to show the pricing, and then you have multiple button selection. They could actually use an icon. So over here, for example, I have the Amazon here, and then I didn't include Walmart. Yeah, I could upload Walmart. Well, you could upload your own icon. So if you're working with a individual company and they have their own logo that you want to add next to the button, and you're promoting that, besides Amazon, you could upload their logo here and then use whatever you want, and change the button. Where is it? Size, or you could have you could select from whatever here. Let's go kind of explore just a little bit, right? So you have multiple styles of ratings that you could fetch here from Amazon's rating. Getting lost. Yeah. So you can see a little bit better. Cool little stars. Make it your own. You can upload your own stars if you have any. And you could do small, medium, large, things like that in nature. You could have the link go to the actual review or product details. You could hide, show total amount of reviews if you wanted to. And yeah, you'll see the short code if you want to add a specific button. Let me show you here. So all you have to do is really use this and then the bracket here. If you want to change the title, just say change title equals and add your own. Button 2 equals the link. If you want to add description, I'll go into that a little bit more in detail. It doesn't have to be this complicated, but you could pretty much add your own here. You could change the ribbon title. So you could do best overall or editor's choice or best best budget friendly or whatever. Capitalize, uncapitalize. You could either customize it here, or you could, let me just save that. And changes. You change the size of the icon and whatnot. So yeah, let me go back here. Buttons, you have up to 5 buttons if you wanted to include that. Different colors, different design. You could change the radius, the paddings, box setting, the width. So you could change the width, the color of that. Everything you designed right here, right now. All you have to do after that is just copy and paste, building all these product boxes. That looks that looks amazing, right? So there's no need to kind of go through this whole step. You just copy and paste, you're done with it. So that's the normal one. It was retrieving Amazon's image, the main image of the product, the title of the product, and then the description. You could change the amount of list points. You could do the amount of characters, the font size. Same thing here. You could do large, image quality high or low, depending on how fast or slow your website is. Same here. Title, you could change the font size, even the color. And you could also do product not found or sold out, and then you could, if the product is sold out, it'll just notify that. So pretty kind of straightforward. Using this code, it'll enable the whole automatic one. So all you need is ASIN, and they'll just populate the whole thing. You add customized title again here, change title, and then my product name, and I copy that, paste it in. This is how it comes out. If you want to add your own description, all you have to do is just copy that, add your own, and they'll just create a list format. So you could do like your own specs, so product dimension, or here the scent, or 3 ounces. Change the title. Add more buttons, so you could do more buttons. Again, you could change the radius, you could change the thickness of the button, you could change the font size of the button. Again, the logo, the width, you could change the width. Here, you could add 3 buttons, so here, the button 2 and button 3, right? So I could add, all I need is the URL of Walmart or another affiliate program, and you could add up to 5. Here, the button 3, I wanted to, again, you could do button 1, 2, or 3, 4, or 5. You could change the actual text. So custom button 3. I guess it's not working at the moment, but I guess we'll fix that. You could change the text. Add the ribbon. Very simple. Here, ribbon editor's choice. Editor's choice. Customize that. You could change the color of that. Title, the size, the weight of the thickness of the font. You could change that as well. Upload any affiliate icon if you wanted to. Again, same settings. Enable external image upload. So if you don't want to use, replace image, we're now using Walmart, or you could use your own image instead of Amazon. If your site is slow, just upload your own image and then put the URL there. Very simple. Enable custom rating. Here I'm adding rating number 1. Rating number 1 compared to rating number 4.5. So this is your own rating, your own title, your own description. Very simple to use, and that's pretty much it for the product box 1. And we have product box 2. Some of them I wanted to kind of get away from the border and then make it very clean. You could remove this title completely. So if you have a heading here of the name, you don't want the title of the product again, because you're saying best burger grinder, best overall, right? That's your H2 or H3, whichever, and then you want to remove the title, you can remove it completely. All you have is a big image from Amazon and the buy button, and it's just with this code. You could add up to 5 buttons. Again, you could change the design of the button, but this is kind of the black and white, kind of sleek, elegant kind of look. Most of the top competing and Y times Wirecutter. I think might have no Wirecutter has the box. Uh, who has So Wirecutter has this type of box. Let's see, best espresso machine. Good. Yeah, something like that will be just more simple, like right here. A big image. You could do H2 if you wanted to, and then you could have the link there, or if you have um, an H2 with the title. So here they do H2 on the website, and then this is the product link with the product image with the link. Then you could do a whole bunch of customization of that button. So something similar, big image. You don't have to upload any of your own. If you wanted to upload your own, that's fine. Again, customize title, my product name. All you have to do is change title, product name. Description. Um, it's not showing up on this one because it's going to be the new update. Let's get into the table, right? So, table, very simple. All you have to do is just copy and paste. So, I have here, I just wanted to copy. I don't want to recreate table whole bunch of times. All you have to do is just bunch of times. I want to create a whole bunch of tables automatically. All I have to do is change the ASIN, add some detail, change your own rating. Could do button, 2 buttons, 1 button. Here, 1 button, 2 button, 1 button. Again, you could change the padding, font size, and then you have the different rating. The table, you could use this one. Let me show. Yeah, rating number 1 compared to that one, and hopefully we'll add a little bit more, and then all the shortcuts are all there too if you wanted to, but pretty much all you need is copy one of your previous table if you want that same design, and then here you got the ribbon, customized ribbon, image is uploaded, product name, description. You create your own title. It's using the WordPress table. And all you have to do if you want to change the design aspect, you just copy and paste that one. And again, it's all included here at the class PR table. And that's pretty much it. You could also do top 3 picks, go vertical or horizontal. And then you add your own rating, capacity, your own specs in comparison here. Again, the design is coming soon. They could do fixed or not fixed. And then the design going vertical or so this one has stripes, or you don't have to use stripes, but it's going horizontal. But vertical, you want different colors, so we're gonna work on that soon. So that's the table. Pretty much straightforward. You just design the whole thing again, all here. Enable, disable, add up to 5, but different colors if you wanted to, different buttons. So, for example, let's say you want to just use Amazon, just use one. automatically it will be Amazon. If you don't want Amazon, then you just use button 2, and you could disable button 1 on table right here. And just disable. And if you want to add your own, you can add your own custom text. So right here, check price. Over here, check price. So you could change the defaulted here. You could use the default, or you could change it automatically based on what that page is about. Pretty straightforward. And a lot of these are coming soon, as also a lot of Gutenberg blocks. A lot of people are using Elementor or other page builders and things like that, but Gutenberg is going to be faster, it's going to be leaner, and a lot of these blocks are going to come. I could change the amount of stars, the number of stars, a whole bunch of stuff for Gutenberg blocks just for Amazon or affiliate websites. A lot of the sites like Ultimate Blocks, yeah, you might have everything that you might possibly want, but you're only going to use 20 or 30% of the stuff for your site, then you're wasting all that unused CSS, right? So my focus was really to just focus on building affiliate websites. What do you really need? Trying to build a very lean plugin. So here you can see the review, or you don't have to see the review. So you don't have that excess amount of unused CSS, unused functionality that you'll probably get with using Ultimate Blocks, or you need another blocks, this and that block to make everything work. I want to provide a lot of customization, but also just using very the fastest way possible to build affiliate product boxes. So that's my goal. I have been struggling with trying to build already built sites, and also building my own brand new sites, or optimizing my sites to add multiple buttons, because Google is now wanting you to add more affiliate buttons, so the readers have more options to choose from, and you rank better. Most of the big companies, the big sites, are having multiple buttons. A lot of the small affiliate people don't do that at the moment. There's not a lot of companies, or Get Lasso's one thing, but you only have 2 buttons. I guess you could add maybe another one. I don't know. Affiliate table, again, same thing, but you're comparing the price. I don't think you should be paying $40 a month for this, or affiliate table IO. It's another great product. I've used it. Free for 100 table, all the features that you need, you can't get. $10 a month. So that's about $120 a month. So I didn't want to go that route. It's really yearly, strictly yearly. How many sites you need, that's what it is. Yeah, my biggest competitor, or not really, because they're only focusing on Amazon. So they are going to be cheaper. If you're just going to stick with Amazon, then you're not going to rank well, because with the whole product review update, they're looking for multiple options when you do a product review. So you need to have multiple buttons, and I've used AWP quite often, but it's only Amazon, so it's really hard for me to rank compared to everyone who's not using AWP. So $49, good deal, but it's not. You're not gonna rank. So this has been my 24 or 23 hours a day type of thing. Um, Working on this, trying to make this really nice. And yeah, so the plan is I'm creating a transparent roadmap where everyone could provide their suggestions. Um, so we have in progress, we have a lot of things in the ideas in the plan section. We're adding new things. Um, if there's a website that does get I don't know if that looks right, but if a site like this has all like something like this has been proven that it converts really well, and a lot of people vote for it, then we're gonna build it. Um, that is my. I'm not. I'm building the product for myself in the beginning, but obviously a lot of people have their own niche. A lot of people have ideas. While the ideas might be good, you do have. I do specifically say, um, where do I say it? I guess I don't say it. Well, I'll include it here where if you have a submission idea, you need to provide me more than three or more sites that has similar features. So like this one, if more than three site has this type of thing, that means it might be working, right? We can't contact Tech Radar and say, is this thing working? So if there are three sites, well-known sites that using similar layout, then let's get to voting, and we'll most likely build it. So transparency and building a product that not only works for me but for everyone else. The benefit of um, if you're using this product, you want this product to constantly evolve to optimize and convert better. I'm not here to build a product that I think is gonna work the best. I've witnessed and tested a lot of the stuff that I know myself personally, but obviously that's a small amount of thinking compared to how can we make this better, what's the best way or the easiest way to build it, or like a whole bunch of stuff, right? Uh, the whole Google product review update happened. How are we moving forward with that option? How can we make it easier so that we could implement that new process, because that's a big process, otherwise you're not going to rank. So if there's new things, we want to build it so that it's built for the future, and also making sure that we do everything we can so that our business, our affiliate website business, constantly generate more revenue because this product is growing. We're not just developers. I built this just for me initially, but I'm releasing it to the public soon. Um, so there you go. This is what I've been working on, and this page I just built it really quick. Hopefully, I get some new design. I'm not really well into designing. I have no time. I have a website designer, but I have no time to kind of review because I'm working on the product. So it's kind of hard balancing this with Linkilo and a couple all of my projects. Please don't mind the design of the site. Just focus on the product itself because that's what you're um, that's what you want. So if you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully this will be coming out soon. All right, have a good one.